Hello everyone, welcome to the first session of this Navratri special, where for next 9 days we'll be learning 9 AI tools which may be useful as a teacher to all of us. The first tool that we are going to explore today is Canvas in ChatGPT. This particular tool is going to help us in summarizing the content and modifying the documents, and it will help us in preparing a very good teaching material. So let's explore this now. So all of you open the ChatGPT and press this plus icon, plus button, then go to more and include Canvas into this ChatGPT. So what you can do is, as you can see, I have created a small paragraph on quantum computing and its evolution, not exceeding 500 words. And this document is also created using ChatGPT. So what I'm going to do is now I'm going to upload this document using this feature. So add photos or files. So this document is actually uploaded to this. Now, what all you can do to this document? Let's say first, let us say add a summary not exceeding 50 words. So let's observe. Yeah, it has created the summary not exceeding the 50 words. Then I would say create 5 add 5 bulleted points which highlights this content. So this will add 5. Add keyword is very important because this is going to add to the existing document, right? Okay. Next, I will say add analogies to all the bulleted points created. So this will add the analogies to all the bulleted points. So see, first we have created the summary, then we created 5 bulleted points. It will add the analogy to all these things. Now next we will create MCQs on this now. So I would say add let's say 5 MCQs to understand the topic better, include correct answers as well. So this will have summary, then we'll have 5 bulleted points with analogies, then it will also have 5 MCQs with answers. So let's go further. Let's also add say 5 FAQs. Add 5 FAQs. So frequently asked questions, it is going to add. So yes, it is added. Right? So the last, let's say you can go on like this to your notes or any of your assignments. You can add all this content. No, I think to complete this, we can add a final statement. Add one line. Let's say add one line highlighting why quantum computing is the need of this hour. So let's see, what does it do? Yes. Okay. So just added all these things to the document. Done. Now what you can do is you can actually download this as a PDF or Word or anything. So I will say I will download this as a PDF now. So look at this. This is the PDF. Now to compare what happened, we gave this as input, a paragraph of text as input. What it has created is the summary, and then it has created 5 bulleted points. Then it had created the MCQs with correct answers highlighted. Then it also has created the FAQs, right? So of course this multiple choice questions numbering, there is some issue. So you can handle all these things as you're prompting. My idea was to introduce you a tool called Canvas in ChatGPT, so which will make your job easy probably. Thank you so much. Have a nice day. So tomorrow we will learn the second AI tool which may be useful to us, the teachers. Thank you so much.